Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in smart home technology. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home devices that can transform your living space into a futuristic haven of convenience and efficiency. So, let's get started. First up, we have smart speakers. These voice-activated assistants, like the popular Amazon Echo or Google Home, can play music, answer questions, control other smart devices, and even order groceries with just a simple voice command. Hey Alexa, play my favorite playlist. Next, we have smart thermostats. These devices, such as the Nest Learning Thermostat, can learn your temperature preferences and adjust accordingly, saving you energy and money on your heating and cooling bills. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can control the temperature of your home from anywhere, ensuring a comfortable environment when you arrive. Now, let's shed some light on smart lighting. Imagine being able to control the ambiance of your home with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Smart bulbs, like Philips Hue, allow you to adjust the brightness, color, and even set schedules to match your daily routine. Whether you want a cozy movie night or a vibrant party atmosphere, smart lighting can transform any room with just a few taps. Security is a top priority for any homeowner, and that's where smart locks come in. With features like keyless entry, remote access, and temporary access codes, you can have peace of mind knowing your home is secure. No more fumbling for keys or worrying about lost copies. Smart locks provide convenience and enhanced security for you and your loved ones. Speaking of security, let's talk about smart cameras. These devices, such as the popular Ring doorbell, allow you to monitor your home from anywhere. With motion detection, two-way audio, and live video streaming, you can keep an eye on your property and receive instant alerts on your smartphone. Whether you're at work or on vacation, smart cameras provide an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of smart home devices that can revolutionize your living space. From smart speakers to thermostats, lighting, locks, and security cameras, these devices offer convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.